Hallo. He's just walking with me. Hi. Bye. Hi there. Right through town. Doesn't everybody have a waterway? So pretty. Walking up to the salt mines in Hallstatt, and it is incredibly peaceful. There are other people on the walk, the tour, but kind of feels like I'm the only one, and all I can hear is the water. I don't know if you can hear it in the video. Maybe. I don't know. But it said on a sign that I had about 350 more meters to go until I'm in the salt mines. So I'm really high up in Hallstatt. I love it here.